Oh God! You gotta hold her waist, man.
When she gets up.
Could you put my booty up? Could you push my booty up?
Yeah, lift her up.
I wasn't ready.
We gotta hold her.
I can't deal.
Girls, good job, good job, good job. What did we get?
I think I should tumble out of there.
We got a 1.43.
Oh,
I gotta put a leg on.
You gotta stand up.
Okay, I'm
Stand
standing.
up. Stand up. Now you're gonna take this leg.
This leg?
And you're gonna no, follow me. No. Like this?
Wait. I could stay here. Can you guys stay there?
Yeah.
Now I want to hold my foot. Wait.
Okay, ready?
oh, you go for it, girl.
I did it!
What was our score?
All right, I'm up.
Okay, now what?
All right, hold on. Let me get two hands up.
They don't know.
Look at Chelsea. Chelsea, what's a lib? Wait, I just bring one foot up? Oh, no, that's uncomfortable.
lib.
Okay, that's so uncomfortable.
And then,
No.
no.
Wait a minute.
Take your
Mom,
time.
you're not supposed to let go.
I'm not gonna let go.
Okay.
That's a lib.
This is a lib.
There you go.
Here we go. I'm going to let go.
Let you know I'm basing right now.
Mom, you're not even
Okay.
helping.
And
Throw.
you want me to reach my foot out
What
again?
in
Like
the
this?
way?
Yeah.
Oh,
Gotta do this.
Wait.
Gotta get
Yeah! Wait. I got to do it all. Okay.
Tammy's a good mid layer.
Ready?
Mom, you did absolutely nothing.